everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Thank you so much for watching, and today is going to be more like a vlog. Yesterday, if you guys watched my video yesterday, it was more like a haul, like a beauty makeup haul kind of thing, but today it's going to be back to normal vlog. And right now I'm getting ready to I'm getting the diaper bag ready because I'm in charge of picking up David's son today from school. So, I mean, I've done it a couple of times and he's a teenager already, so you know how teenagers are. He doesn't love me, but he doesn't necessarily hate me. So I don't know if he's super excited to see me or kind of like, meh, can someone else come, please? But we talk a lot in the car, so I like when it's only me and him because I feel like we have more time to bond and more time to talk to each other. When his dad is around, we don't really get to talk that much because he's talking to his dad or on his phone or doing some other teenager stuff. So I'm getting everything ready. As you can see, I'm getting in the car seat. Adam is taking a nap and I feel so bad. Like, I'm sure you guys know, like, you do not wake up a sleeping baby. So I'm gonna try to do this as gentle as possible so I can get him in the car. So I'm lining everything up by the door right now, so my poor guy doesn't get all disturbed. So we are on our way to pick up our teenager. It's kind of weird to say that I'm picking up someone from school because it makes me think of when Adam starts going to school, and it's so sad. I don't want him to grow up. I don't want him to go to school. He's too little. It takes a while to get there. It's a little far, but it's okay. It's not that bad. I used to live in New York and I used to commute on the train for like an hour and 45 minutes. So this should be perfect. So we just got home and I had this great idea of putting balloons all over the back of the door, just so when David comes in, that's the first thing he sees. And yeah, I mean, it's probably a little childish, but I think it's cute, it's fun, and it's just to let him know how much we love him. And it was just a quick little surprise, nothing too big. We actually are planning to have a little surprise for him on Friday, and I'm working on coordinating that right now with his family. But this night was only me and him and his son, and of course baby Adam. And now I'm going to show you guys what I got David for his birthday. I was so confused on what to get him, but my sister had a great idea to get him an amazing Apple Watch. So I'm sure he's going to love it. He loves working out, so it is the perfect gift. And now I'm going to take some paper and decorate the bag. I love doing this. It is so soothing to me to wrap things and do the decorations for the gift bags or Christmas bags. I just completely love it. As you see, I make like a little square with all the peaks pointing out, and then I put a tape on it so I can tape it inside of the bag, on all around the bag basically. And then I'm adding some blue. The bag is black and gold, but it does have some accents of blue and red. So I decided to go with blue and red paper.
After the others comes love.
And now that I am done with decorating the bag, I'm going to write him a beautiful love letter for his birthday. I think this is the funniest card ever. So I hope he likes it too and he gets a laugh out of it. And this is what the bag ended up looking like. I love it. It's super cute. Okay, so it's dark by now. We're waiting for David to come home. We're actually trying to see if he would like to just go somewhere to eat, and that's probably what's gonna end up happening. But I feel like this is so childish, but he doesn't really like birthdays or anything, so I still wanted to do a little something. Turning on all my lights here. Joyful. So pretty. But I'm going to wash this lineup of bottles that I have right here and just wait for him to come home, and we're probably gonna go and grab a bite to eat for his birthday. Pickup went great, so thank you for the support for watching as well. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Bye. We are all ready to wait for Dad to come home so we can sing happy birthday. I'm gonna set the camera here so we can record everything.
Sam's more excited. Ready? Go on. 1, 2, 3.
Look at Sammy.